Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick output comparison review between these two AI brainstorming tools, which is Capacity and Coda. So let me dive into it. Talking about Capacity and Coda, Capacity feels like a studio for your mind. It's built through linked objects rather than pages, so you can naturally build a network knowledge base. Its AI assistant help you brainstorm and spark ideas, and it supports offline access, tagging, and graph view to connect your thought. On the downside, Capacity is still maturing and some users find mobile features limited and the advanced collaboration is less developed. Then talking about Coda, on the other hand, is like a super document that becomes an app. You can mix document and database, use AI-powered template, and automate workflow all in one place. It's incredibly flexible, which makes it great for turning brainstorming into action items and project planning. But that power comes with a steeper learning curve, and for smaller or simpler workflow, Coda can feel like overkill. And in my opinion, I think if you want a clean network space to think deeply, go with Capacity. Or if you need to brainstorm and then build and run project from your ideas, Coda is more versatile pick in that aspect. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review. You're welcome.